This again? How many times do I have to tell you to pick up your dirty clothes? Is that too much to ask?
Can I please just have a few minutes to relax? I literally just got home. I'll pick them up later.
You always do this, ever since we moved in together. You know, if you want to leave your dirty clothes lying around, maybe you should just go back to living by yourself.
Baby, why are you...
Don't baby me. I can't deal with this right now. I'm gonna go to my mom's place. Maybe this was a mistake.
Hey, honey. How's my baby girl?
I'm okay, Mom.
I can tell when something's wrong. What's the matter, sweetheart?
It's Robert. I don't know what to do anymore. He just always leaves his dirty clothes lying around, and it's so frustrating.
I understand. And I know that this may be really hard to believe right now. But one day you're gonna miss that dirty laundry.
Ew, why would I miss it?
When your daddy was still here, I used to always argue with him the same way. I would come home to his dirty clothes from work all over the couch. It would make me so mad that he couldn't put them away. I would go into the bathroom and find the toilet seat up. I mean, how hard is it to put it down? I would look at the dishes in the sink and I'd get so upset. I mean, why not just rinse them off? Until finally, I reached my breaking point and I had to let it all out. I thought I couldn't take this anymore. And then, your father passed away so suddenly. The day I came back from his funeral, I looked around and there weren't any dishes in the sink. And the toilet seat wasn't up. And there were no dirty clothes on the couch. I'd never thought that I'd miss all of that. But I realize that now. It feels empty without him. So, my child, don't waste the limited time that you have together arguing over some dirty laundry. Because one day you're gonna miss it.
Thanks, Mom. I really needed to hear that. I have something I need to do.
That's my girl.
Hey. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have...
No, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have reacted that way. It's really not that big of a deal. And who knows, I might even end up missing your dirty laundry someday.
So I don't have to pick them up then?
Nope. I might just end up throwing them at you instead.
One day, you will miss those small nuances you hate about your significant other. I know it sounds hard to believe. How in the world could someone miss something that they hate so much, right? But the reality is, we spend so much of our lives arguing over such small things that we often miss the big things that are the most important. Here's what I mean. Maybe someone doesn't put away the dishes, or leaves a toilet seat up, or forgets to put away some dirty laundry. Maybe they don't have the best manners or communication skills. Now, I'm not saying that these things aren't annoying. I know they are. But all I'm saying is it really worth arguing so much about, or losing your happiness, peace, or even relationship over? Don't let the little things bother you, because if you do, you'll spend your entire relationship being angry. And one day, you might just find yourself in a situation where you regret wasting so much of your relationship arguing over some dirty laundry.